we have a total of 14 stations now. So the majority of them are in Taylor Valley. There are 4 that are on glaciers, on Commonwealth Glacier, Canada Glacier, Howard Glacier, and then up have land-based stations as well. And so they vary. Most of them are near the lakes. Others are more remote, and going up as far as Beacon Valley, which is the last dry valley before you get to the plateau, the polar plateau. The main thing that we're trying to do is monitoring long-term climate, as opposed to seeing what the weather will be like the next couple days. Our instruments are really important. We'd have no idea those things went on if we didn't have them running down here. You definitely need a human eye on it to make sure that it's still coherent. I'll go through the data, once initially to see if there's problems, but then I'll come through it for several more months and graphing it out, comparing it to other stations, flagging data that's wrong and eliminating it. So I'll go through it several times for each station, each parameter, and then flag, remove what's necessary, clean it up, and then apply any post-processing factors. Climate is something, it's long-term weather, and it can be affected by lots of different things going on. So it can be very complex and difficult to understand and difficult for folks to tease apart. Focus is trying to understand the ecosystem, and then we're in a polar desert, so it's extremely cold, it's water limited, and then for half of the year it's light limited. So what looks like somewhat of a dead place is actually a very simple ecological ecosystem.
Because you have the data doesn't mean you understand the system. It's important to come down and view the landscape, and in our case, view the glaciers and seeing how the glaciers are reacting to these changing environments. And that kind of feeds into our understanding in kind of non-quantitative ways. It's like